This is a quick unboxing and premiere test with the new 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro. This is the Apple M1 Pro with 10-core CPU and 14-core GPU. I sold my pretty much spec'd out 16-inch MacBook Pro from 2019 in order to pick up this laptop. So I'm curious to see how it compares to that laptop, as well as how it compares to the Mac Pro that I use for work. It's pretty awesome to see a lot of the ports coming back. The screen is incredible. And of course, the awesome sound as it turns on. Last few things as the MacBook is booting up and I'm finishing up the setting up process, I thought I would try out a quick render test. I know that I could be getting more potential out of Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve. However, I use Premiere for all my editing. So I wanted to do a quick export test comparing it to the Mac Pro that I use on a day-to-day basis. This Mac Pro is not the base model either, so it's a little bit over $10,000 if you're to buy it. So as you can see here, not a very scientific test, but I put the same project and file on Samsung T7 drives on 2 different drives and exported at the same time. This was a fairly simple 33-minute long video exported into 1080p. And as you can see here with my pretty poor handwriting screenshot, the MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro chip took about 5 minutes less to export the same video. Very curious to see more in the future, but pretty excited with these results.